So it's a really interesting time to be alive if you are interested in property tax law, which I very much am, and it's a really interesting thing to watch in Columbus because it is a topic that will not go away, and I am glad that it is not going away.
Right.
I'm glad.
And I think, that again, we hear so much now talking about efficiency, accountability with budgets, and maybe it's line item budgets that we need to be looking at because
Right.
you can't just say, well, this is the total number that I need and just let me do what all I need. Well, that sounds good, right?
Right.
But wait until you start asking for more money because you weren't able to cover it. And then, well, why weren't you able to cover it? What did you get accomplished? And
Yes.
so those things all come to mind when we start hearing about the property tax conversation.
Absolutely.
Because again, I realize how much goes into that and how that really is a benefit in so many ways. We know some of our higher taxed communities have better school systems
Yes.
as a easy thing to say. So are you willing to give up some of that in order
Right.
to lower your taxes? And are you realizing, then you have the people who are like, well, I don't have any kids in school anymore, so it doesn't matter to me. Well, that's an easy fix for you, but not for the other 6 families on the same street.
There
is not a one
right.
way to approach it,
There's not.
which is why it's easy to say it didn't get accomplished before when we had that dysfunction going on. But
Yes.
now, what's the best way to approach it? And that's where I think minds of the schooled people and people who understand what all goes into it,
Yes.
that more knowledgeable about the process, see that there's a bigger than just one answer to this.